Hey y'all, my millionaire divas, it's your girl Miss Millionaire Peters coming right back at you. Today this video is going to show you how I make this inexpensive synthetic half wig unit look like an expensive virgin hair unit. It will have some of your friends turning their heads and wondering, girl, where did you get that curly wig? Where did you get that curly weave from? Oh my god, who did your installs? If you're interested in seeing how I doll this up, stay tuned, keep on watching. Guys, so the color I'm using today is Bahamas, that's the style, and the brand is Outre, and I will place the link below where you can purchase this online, but I purchased this from my local beauty supply store. So for those of you who are in the BVI, you can purchase it from Creations, better known as Dave, and for those of you who are not in the BVI, I will have the link below so that you can purchase it online. Okay, so let's get started. I bought a 1B. That's the color that I bought. The package says that it's heat resistant fiber and it's safe to use heat on it up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I won't be using any heat on this, hence why I bought it already pre-curled. So this is the construction of the wig. It has one comb on the top and it has one on the bottom, and it has the elastic straps. It has the elastic straps down here so you can adjust it. The inside is just plain machine sewn, so it has the holes where your fingers can actually go through the waves. So this is how it looks in its natural state, and I'm going to show you how you can glam this wig into something that looks like virgin hair, or not cheap. So you're going to need a paddle brush or a detangle brush. You're going to need a latte comb, and that's about it. So what I'm going to do now is use my detangle brush, and I'm going to start from the top section up here, and I'm going to just brush it a bit to give it some volume, not too much because you don't want too much volume and you don't want to wake up too much of the curls. So you're gonna go through it and just wake it up a bit, especially the top section, because that's where you want most of it. You're gonna flip it on the inside and you're gonna just wake it up to give it some volume. Wake it up. Also the bottom as well. And you're gonna do this until it has enough fluff to your desire, because my fluff or volume may not be the same like you. I love my hair big and voluminous. For someone else, you may not like the same thing. Okay, so you're gonna do it according to your own personal preference. Okay, so I'm gonna run my hands through it like this. So all you're doing is basically waking up the curls, waking it up. Okay. I am going to make the adjustable straps on the inside smaller because my head is extremely small. Sometimes I tie the adjustable straps together in the back so that it can be extremely tight as well, so that my adjustable straps is already crisscrossed in the back. And my hair, I left out about 3/4 no, not 3/4, just a bit in the perimeter area, and the back I braided it back into a big sections. Okay, so my hair is transitioning into natural, so my hair is half natural, half perm. The roots are natural, the ends are perm. So I went in with my flat iron and I flat iron out my hair. It can be a bit more softer, and so that it can be a bit more flexible for me to maneuver. Okay, so I'm gonna just comb my hair forward so that it would not be in the way when I attach. And I'm going to attach the front first, because for me, if I attach the back and then the front, sometimes it hurts me. So I'm going to attach the front, make sure it's safe, and then I'm going to attach the back. Okay, so I'm going to attach the front right where the hair is left out. Make sure the comb is in properly, and then I'm going to attach the back. More safety, you can always get like some bob pins. Let me see if I have. If you need more safety, you can always get like some bob pins, which is the long flat ones, or you can get the regular hair pins, which is the open long ones, and you can just like take it, stick it into the hair and loop it on the corners right where your ears are, because no comb is over there. So just in the event that you need more safety, you can do that. For now, I don't need that because I'm not going anywhere. So we look like a hot mess, right? I know. Okay, so this is what I'm about to do. I am going to play with it and put some more volume in it. I do not put product in it. The reason why I don't put product in it, because these synthetic hair already come kind of shiny and stuff like that, and you don't really want to put any more products in it to make it look any more shiny than it already looked. You want it to look as natural to the real human hair as possible. Okay, so I am going to use my paddle brush or my detangle brush, and I'm going to comb it out to give it a bit more volume. So use one of those big wide tooth combs as well, if you would like. Okay, so I think I'm going to pat it on the side. So what I'm going to do is comb back the front of my hair into it. And you can do so many different styles with these half wigs. You can put it like, take out some, and you can put it like, you can take out some and put it like half up, like pin here, and put it like half up, and do styles like that. You can do so much with it. My natural hair with the half wig. sometimes the half wig might move. That's why I said if you need more I already tied the elastic band in the back. You want the front of your hair to look as natural as possible. You don't want too many products in your hair, so I'm going to use my Gots to Be glue spray, and this will hold the end of my hair, and it will give me not a tight hold, it will give me a soft hold because I'm not going to put a lot, and it's going to blend in with the half wig. So I'm going to just gradually spray some and comb it in. I have my hair blend in with the wig, and it looks like my hair enough and it's smooth. What I'm going to do is use my baby hair brush, and I'm going to use a bit of the Gots to Be glue gel, and I'm going to do a little bit of baby hairs. I'm not sure if it would actually look good because normally I would do this before I apply my makeup. So the fact that I already have on my makeup, I'm gonna just put a little teeny bit because I don't want the makeup to blend with the Gots to Be glue, and sometimes it look nasty. So you can use beeswax if you don't want a strong hold, but I do not have soft hair in front, and like I said, my hair is transitioning, so they are a bit natural. So for me, the beeswax would have really worked. But if your hair is naturally perm, then you can use the beeswax because your hair would be of a softer texture and more easier to maneuver. So I'm going to create some baby hairs right now. I created whatever baby hair I could have got. I used a little bit of the Gots to Be glue gel because I really didn't wanted my makeup to mix inside of the gel. So I'm going to tie the border of my so-called baby hairs and I'm going to let that dry for a few minutes, and then I'll be back to do the final touches. Okay, here's the set. I'm now going to, I think I want my pad on the right hand side, so I'm now going to section off a nice little part, and then the part that I'm section off, I'm going to just, take my hand and play with the hair, open up the curls so that I can have a bit more fluff. You can take your comb and you can tease the top area as well if you want volume. You can also take the same bob pins that I showed you earlier. You can take the bob pin and pin it like across this way. I don't think I have any more bob pin, but you get the idea. You pin it like this and then allow it to drop like that. Okay, but I don't have, oh, I found one, but it's a small one. I'm gonna do it so that you can see. You hold where you want, and then you put the bob pin in it to give it the height, and then you just fold over the hair. It will automatically hide the bob pin, but you can fold it over And if you want some layers in your hair, don't be afraid to go in and use the scissors and cut, like if it's like the bang area, so that your hair can have some natural layers. But with curly, you can just tease it. You don't necessarily have to cut it, because sometimes if you cut it, you have to remember that you're going to want to use it again to do another style. So think I do so much, like I don't. It's just so simple. It's really, really, really simple. I use the hairspray to tame it. Okay, my millionaire divas, this is basically my finishing look. It is so simple. All you have to do is just play with the half wig. Like, you rough it up, make it look natural as possible, as if it is your natural hair that you're playing with, and you go in and you do all sort of things. So you don't have to have extremely perm hair, you don't have to have extremely natural hair to work with this, and you don't have to break the bank to look beautiful and have some nice long inexpensive hair that you can create on your own to look like human hair. So I do hope that this video was very informative for you and you enjoyed, you learned something. If there are any other half wigs or synthetic lace wigs that you would like me to try, please comment below or send me an email. Let me know, what do you want to see? I'm here to help you and help myself as well. Okay, ladies, if you make it this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that you can make sure that you receive a notification when I upload videos each and every single week. Thank you to all of those new subscribers and my official millionaire divas who have always stayed locked and tuned in. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your family, and your associates. As always, see you guys in the next one. God bless.
Story of my life, ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, you see the great things that people do. Changing lives day and night, but nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I have to do what's right, to the King of all kings all praise is due. Yesterday I was on a train, a little boy asked me my name. He said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? Said I am a legend that you never heard of before. I said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates, but if one person remembers my name, that means I made a change. I'm the man who cooks the food and feed the street people in the afternoon. I'm the lady with the broom, sweeping the halls of your son's preschool. I'm the soldier who's up all night, making sure everything's alright. And if you ask me, I'm quite fine, being an ordinary person doing what's right. Yesterday at the football game, a little girl asked me my name. She said, sir, I've seen you before.